Coarticulation deck has 42 cards that focus on the principle of coarticulation to help children produce their R sound. But what is coarticulation anyway? Coarticulation is the way a sound is produced as it is influenced by the sounds that come before and after it. This happens every day as we talk and communicate in connected speech. This deck contains 7 types of cards to address R, and we are going to show you an example of each, starting with final air, like you see here. Then we have final ear, final final ire, final or, final R, and initial R. Let's take a peek inside the deck. Here's an example of one of the cards. This is the front of a card. We pride ourselves on our diverse and inclusive artwork for all people to feel represented. The cards are a thick, soft, matte texture. They are not shiny or laminated, so children with visual impairments do not get the glare. Here's the back of that same card. The back of each card is numbered to keep you organized, tells you the type of R, a target word, and different ways to combine cards to form R in the medial position. Now, how do you use these cards together to help elicit that tricky R sound? If the child is working on medial R, you can combine the final R and the initial R cards together to form a medial R word. Here's an example of the back of a final air card. You can see all of the different word combinations you can make using this card and the other initial R cards in the deck. We put the card numbers next to the target word so you can easily find what you're looking for to form that new target word. So if you take the bear card and the read card, you can work on connecting those two words to get the new target word, buried. We have a few other videos about this deck from the author herself. Lindsay Hochul has recorded an unboxing of this deck, as well as another video covering more than 8 ways to use this deck in speech therapy. You should definitely check them out. We put the links to these videos in the description below. For more information about this deck and other products, please visit bjoremspeech.com.